Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, it's Jessica here. Earlier this year, we got some braids done, which was really lovely as a protective hairstyle. But shortly after I took them out, I started having really bad dandruff and an itchy scalp. Guys, I've finally been able to get my scalp to a healthy state after a lot of trial and error. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the natural remedies I've used to heal my scalp from dandruff and itchiness. The first ingredient I use to treat dandruff and itchiness is fresh aloe vera. Guys, aloe vera helps to soothe your scalp. Aloe vera prevents the growth of dandruff causing microbes. It instantly helps to soothe an itchy scalp. It also helps to reduce the redness on your scalp from itching it. Apart from it being beneficial to your scalp health, aloe vera massively promotes hair growth. Aloe vera can be massaged directly onto your scalp or blended and used as a pre-poo or conditioner. The second ingredient that I use to treat my dandruff is our DIY Cloves and Rosemary Butter. This butter has become quite famous and a lot of you guys love it. This butter is a hidden gem. We have recently done a video on this on our channel. You can actually check. It contains garlic, ginger, cloves, and rosemary. This butter is so powerful because it contains a lot of ingredients that naturally treat dandruff. It contains ginger, which helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth. It helps to fight your scalp problems like dandruff, dry scalp, and psoriasis. Nextly, garlic contains antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria in the scalp. It also is a rich source of vitamin C, also known to boost collagen production in the hair and enhance hair growth. Cloves also contain antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to unclog blocked pores that lead to dandruff. And lastly, rosemary leaves promote nerve growth to the scalp and improves blood circulation. It generally helps to treat scalp irritation and prevent hair loss. Now, you guys must note that if you do not like the smell of garlic, honestly, you don't have much to worry about. The garlic smell is actually not that strong once this hair butter is made. The butter is best stored in the fridge and it can be used 1 to 2 times a week. The third ingredient I use to treat my dandruff issue is rosemary water. Rosemary water is known to boost your hair growth, but also to promote your scalp health. It helps prevent hair fall and treat split ends, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties that help to heal dandruff and itchy scalp and to help rebuild your scalp health. Typically, rosemary water should only be sprayed onto the scalp of your hair, not the body of your hair. And you do not need to wash it out. You can also apply a rosemary oil on your hair afterwards. It also should be stored in the fridge. The fourth ingredient we use to treat dandruff is rose water. Rose water massively helps reduce the itchiness and inflammation caused from dandruff. Rose water is a mild astringent that helps to reduce dandruff and itching. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties that help to further treat scalp issues like psoriasis and eczema. Rose water can be applied onto your scalp with a hairspray or cotton swabs. It can also be used as a hair rinse. The fifth ingredient that helped us treat dandruff is peppermint essential oil. Now, the menthol in peppermint oil is known to improve blood flow in the scalp and stimulate hair growth. However, it is an essential oil and should be diluted with a carrier oil when being used. It's powerful because it contains antimicrobial properties which help to fight bacteria in the scalp and treat dandruff and other scalp infections. A treatment that we used regularly to treat dandruff are hot oil treatments. We have a few videos showing how we do this. This treatment is powerful because it helps to heat up the oil indirectly without stripping it of its benefits and vitamins. Once the oil is warm to the touch, it can be evenly applied onto the scalp and kept in a heated shower cap for about 30 minutes. Once you do this, you can wash out your hair afterwards using a clarifying shampoo, and you will literally watch all the dandruff fall off. Lastly, a product that massively helped to treat our dandruff issue is Dandruff Easy. Now, this product is a store-bought product. It might not be 100% natural, but it works wonders. This product is a dry scalp treatment called Dandruff Easy. It can be found on Amazon and I believe some beauty supply stores. It should also be applied onto a clean scalp, so you might need to wash your hair before applying this product. Or you can go in using apple cider vinegar to clean your scalp with a cotton swab before using this treatment. This treatment can be gently massaged onto your scalp, and I kid you not, by the next day, you will see results. Most of the dryness and dandruff will disappear. Remember guys, a healthy scalp is what essentially leads to hair growth. So it's really important that you maintain a healthy scalp. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. These are the things I did consistently that eventually led me back to a healthy scalp. Do let me know if you've experienced dandruff in the comment section and what worked for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!